Oh boy. Hell yeah! Perfect. What does this mean?
It means we're going on an adventure.
Going on an adventure. Is that your signature move now? Put your nose in the camera?
Why the lawnmowers? I saw something that I might like. Oh, I like it. John fucking Deere.
Here we come, mud puddles. Splash me with mud. Oh, brother. That was so deep. The front of your truck was literally just like, oh, that freak.
Oh, that smells so bad. Oh. What an absolute trooper. Running ahead, getting all the cool videos. I'm just in here driving. I got a Christmas tree on me. Oh, Ellie. Oh, she's like, where's my mom? Look at her.
Little Flexi.
You're gonna go up here to see it.
Oh my gosh.
Careful.
That looks sick. Ellie, no. Oh my goodness. The water's so clear you can like only see the rocks on the camera.
That's crazy.
Wow, that's so pretty. So pretty. Oh my goodness. I want to go inside it. Must find a way to cross this. Yeah. Ellie, come. That's really steep. Looks fine. Start turning that way. Ellie, get out of the way. I would. I think you're good. It's just gonna make noise, but... Hell yeah, brother!
Not gonna lie, this is a little bit scary.
Oh boy.
But this is part.
Oh boy. Still to your left. Straighten out. Yep. Perfect. Send it. Straighten out. You got like...
How's my back gonna do?
They look fine. Yeah, like you're literally dead center of both right now. Yep. You got like an inch. I think you're good to just go straighten out. Yeah. Made it.
Some pretty sketchy stuff. And now we're doing more sketchy stuff.
Never ends.
Time. It's tight here.
Yeah, it's really tight.
Fuck. I'm like up against that tree.
Took some sap out of that tree. So steep.
Yeah. Easily just chugs away.
Oh my goodness. This is steep. Nice. Ah! That way a little bit more. Yep, straight. Definitely gonna be a bit of a bumper dragger. Oh my gosh. No. I mean, yeah, but no. So, looks sick though. You know best, babe.
Ellie better hold the fuck. I'm just gonna go right about here and fucking.
Okay, go. God damn.
That worked.
Yeah.
Definitely crank that down.
Definitely
Oh
would.
yeah, look at it.
I know.
I'm glad I went with that method, because if we kind of got like hung up, we'd just be teetering there like that.
Yep.
And that's not a good spot to be.
Nope.
This probably looks like nothing on camera too. We made it back onto the main line. Now we're on to the next leg of our adventure.
Time for some lunch.
Trying to go up to the old copper mines up here. It's been quite the adventure so far. I think we've been out for probably 5 hours now.
Goes by so fast.
We're gonna have some chicken and corn.
Couple beers.
Cold snack. We'll be on the way. Down this way or this way. This way or this way.
A little woodpecker. It's really hard to see, but
They must have really sore necks from doing that all day. I was pecking at a tree like that for even 10 minutes. I would be fucked.
bug.
Ellie, up. Do you need me to lift you?
Come on, Smelly.
Oh my goodness. You're a
Yes,
diva.
please.
Oh, I'm so tired.
What have you done? Just a little bit close. No biggie. Your buffer's like that far off the ground.
Well, no, it's a Craftsman mower. Didn't make it out.
We are literally on top of the world. Don't go over there. Yeah. Damn.
That would be so scary.
Yeah, you'd literally be just looking at the sky.
Yeah.
Now we've ended up back at the mud.
Yeah, right back where we started. I better do it my window here. We're gonna fly through this one more time and then call it a day. It's been quite the adventure. Bridges, big divots, mud holes, copper mines. Pretty freaking sweet.
Ellie.
Ready, Ellie? Ready for the mud bog? It's surprisingly deep.
Nice.
Clam. Well, that's it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.